Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda, is a popular baking ingredient. It gives foods like bread, cakes, muffins, and cookies a light, fluffy texture. That's because it has leavening properties, meaning that it reacts with an acid, such as vinegar or lemon juice, and causes dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Baking soda helps treat heartburn. Baking soda has very high amounts of antacids and is an excellent alkalizer. Heartburn is having constant pain in your chest. If you try to locate the affected area, you will find it just behind your breastbone. The pain usually worsens after eating when you lie down or bend over during the evenings. There is no need to worry in case of occasional heartburn. Baking soda provides temporary and occasional relief from acid reflux. It has an alkaline phase that helps neutralize the acidity in your stomach. It works similarly to many over-the-counter antacids. Have 1/2 teaspoons baking soda and dissolve it in a 4-ounce glass of water for instant relief. Make sure to drink this slowly. Number 9. Improves oral health. Healthy gums, strong teeth, neutral breath, and a clean tongue determine your health and hygiene. In addition, it is essential for preventing diseases and disorders related to the mouth. For example, do you know that one can find initial symptoms of diabetes in the mouth? Diabetes results in high blood sugar, which weakens oral health. According to a study, baking soda has natural whitening properties. Baking soda is a known ingredient in the production of commercial toothpaste. It is a mild abrasive that scrapes off surface stains on the teeth. In addition, it provides an alkaline environment in your mouth. This quality further prevents the growth of bacteria from avoiding tooth decay and retaining your gums in shape. Some say that having baking soda water every morning can freshen your breath. Number 8. Baking soda treats kidney disease. Kidney disease occurs when your kidneys are damaged and cannot perform blood filtration. As per research findings, baking soda is helpful for people with kidney disease. In addition, you may use baking soda as a supplement for some chronic kidney conditions and metabolic acidosis. This condition creates a disbalance between alkali and acid balance. Oral supplementation of sodium bicarbonate may make the blood less acidic. Therefore, it may be right to conclude that baking soda slows down the progression of kidney disease under the supervision of a health professional. However, one cannot use baking soda as a preventive measure to combat kidney ailments. Number 7. Baking soda improves exercise performance. Improvement in exercise performance strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, tones muscle, and enhances flexibility. A study finds a correlation between baking soda and sports performance. Its effectiveness can be related to high-intensity sports and activities. It makes endurance higher by decreasing the acidity in working muscles. Soda can help achieve optimal pH balance by reducing excess acid during exercising. Sodium bicarbonate contains an alkaline pH of 8.4. Therefore, it is safe to consume 15 to 20 grams of baking soda diluted in water about an hour before you start exercising. Number 6. Controls odors. Foul odors are a common nuisance in many households, emanating from various sources such as garbage bins, socks, carpets, and refrigerators. These odors often carry a strong acidic scent, resembling sour milk or fish, making them unpleasant and difficult to eliminate. However, research has shown that baking soda, with its unique properties, serves as an effective deodorizer by neutralizing both acidic and basic odor molecules. The mechanism behind baking soda's deodorizing action lies in its ability to bring acidic and basic odor molecules into a neutral state. As a mild alkaline compound, baking soda interacts with acidic molecules, effectively neutralizing their odor-causing properties. This process helps to eliminate unpleasant odors at their source, rather than simply masking them with fragrances. Baking soda's versatility extends beyond its use as a household cleaner and baking ingredient. It can also be utilized as a personal deodorant for underarms and feet. By applying a thin layer of baking soda to these areas, it helps to absorb moisture and neutralize the odor, keeping you feeling fresh throughout the day. Number 5. Anti-tumor effects. Tumors, characterized by uncontrolled growth within solid tissues like organs, muscles, or bones, pose significant health risks and challenges. Research suggests that tumors may thrive in acidic environments, prompting the exploration of methods to mitigate acidity as a potential means of inhibiting tumor growth and spread. One such avenue being investigated is the use of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, which may play a role in reducing acidity in the body, potentially hindering tumor progression. The acidic microenvironment surrounding tumors is believed to contribute to their proliferation and aggressiveness. By modulating the body's pH levels towards a more alkaline state, it is theorized that the conditions conducive to tumor growth may be less favorable. Baking soda, commonly known for its alkalizing properties, has garnered attention in this context. When ingested or administered properly, baking soda may help neutralize excess acidity in the body, creating an environment less conducive to tumor development. Number 4. Improve certain cancers. It is important to note that cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. In such a case, baking soda does not prevent cancer development. But according to a study, it serves as an effective complementary treatment for people who have cancer. In simple terms, it can be an able supplement product during the treatment procedure. However, do not use baking soda as a substitute for regular medication. Drinking a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water is a DIE method to improve pH balance in the body, which could prevent several illnesses. If the taste is unbearable, add half a teaspoon and drink it twice. Add some lemon or honey to enhance the flavor. Number 3. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is excellent for making your pearly whites shine. It works as a mild abrasive to remove yellow stains from your teeth. In addition, it helps remove plaque by neutralizing acids produced by the bacteria. You can simply put a little baking soda on your toothbrush along with your regular toothpaste. Brush your teeth as usual for 2 minutes. Do it once daily for a few days. Alternatively, prepare a homemade teeth whitener with 4 tablespoons of turmeric root powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Use a small amount of this paste to brush your teeth once daily for a few days. Number 2. Baking soda beats sugar craving. Baking soda, commonly known for its versatile applications in cooking and cleaning, is increasingly recognized for its potential role in helping to curb sugar cravings. While sugar cravings can be challenging to resist and may contribute to various health issues such as obesity and diabetes, incorporating baking soda into one's diet may offer a natural and effective way to manage these cravings. The mechanism behind baking soda's ability to curb sugar cravings lies in its alkaline nature. When ingested, baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid, which in turn may help stabilize blood sugar levels. By reducing the acidity in the digestive system, baking soda may help regulate the release of insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting glucose into cells for energy. This stabilization of blood sugar levels can help reduce fluctuations that often lead to sugar cravings. Furthermore, baking soda has been found to have a satiating effect, helping individuals feel fuller for longer periods. This satiety can reduce the frequency and intensity of cravings for sugary snacks and desserts, ultimately supporting healthier eating habits. Incorporating baking soda into your diet can be done in various ways. Adding a small amount of baking soda to water and drinking it before meals can help reduce acidity in the stomach and promote feelings of fullness. Additionally, baking soda can be used as a leavening agent in baked goods, allowing for the creation of healthier, lower-sugar alternatives to traditional desserts. Number 1. Fights acne and pimples. To get rid of acne or pimples, you do not need harsh chemicals. Baking soda will do the work easily. The antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of this kitchen staple help treat the cause as well as reduce the symptoms of acne and other breakouts. In addition, it helps balance the skin's pH, which helps reduce the occurrence of skin breakouts. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Apply it on the affected skin for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. Repeat once daily for 2 or 3 days, then reduce the frequency to 1 or 2 times a week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked it. Your support helps me create more content. Leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions. Thanks again. See you in the next video.